Hi everyone, this is NicainSRQ and we're getting ready to make a very healthy salad, delicious and flavorful, like the way I like it. We love this little salad at home. It's only a feta, garbanzo and tomato salad with thyme, salt, pepper, olive oil, and it's that easy. And the more it marinates, the better flavor. Ingredients you're gonna need for this salad is feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, a can of garbanzos, olive oil, red wine vinegar, thyme, salt, and pepper. Basically, what we need to do is simple. So 1 can of the garbanzos goes in the bowl. The right amount of as much as tomatoes as you prefer. Over here, I do have my feta. I kind of like the rough pieces. That's pretty much it. And it's looking like this. Look at that, yummy. It's already making me happy. At this point, you're gonna add the thyme, mix well, pinch of salt. I'm gonna put some red wine vinegar, just a splash of it. Then you're gonna put some olive oil and some crushed black pepper. Mix well. At this point, you can add cauliflower or white beans, any other vegetables you think that may go with it. It's looking delicious and you are gonna love this salad. I want you to see how good this salad looks. There you have it. Delicious, healthy garbanzo tomato salad.
I want some.
Okay, ready to pack my salad for lunch. But honey, how was that salad?
Fantastic. I love it.
There you have it. Delicious, healthy, quick.
Husband approved.
Remember, subscribe to my channel, NicainSRQ. Thank you so much and see you for the next video.